Hey, this is Amity calling back from on the Chevy. All right, so the pink wire that you tapped into when all these problems started gets power from the red wire that goes directly into the ignition switch. And that red wire gets power from ignition A 40 amp fuse under the hood. So my question to you is, does that red wire have battery voltage?
Yes, the red wire with white stripe has 12 volt constant, and the solid red has 12 volt constant as well.
Is there another red wire?
There's a small red wire that has 0.16 volts. So I got red, solid, pink, solid, brown, solid, orange, solid, and red with white. Then a smaller red wire, a yellow wire, and a white wire.
And so the red, I guess, let's go this direction. Ignition C fuse under the hood powers up your red wire, the smaller red wire.
I'm sorry, say that one more time.
Ignition C as in cat. Is that fuse good?
The ignition C is the name of the fuse under the hood?
Yes,
is that
sir.
What you're saying?
That's correct.
And that should be 12 volts when the key is turned, or 12 volts
all the time?
Any idea what fuse number that is? I got fuse number 3 is a 40 amp. That's ignition switch. 50 amp fuse 6 ignition switch as well. So I only got 3 that say ignition switch, fuel pump, ERNDL, display, and crank. That's fuse 52. That's a 20 amp fuse. Is that the one?
It's going to be a 20 amp fuse. That is correct.
I'm going to check fuse 52. I did pull every single fuse out. I did check voltage as I was pulling them. Let me see here. Relay fuse number 20. That fuse appears to be just fine. Let's see here. Hold on, I might be on the wrong one. Oh, right here. Okay. That fuse is blown.
There we go. It's just a blown fuse.